Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the text, different text on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Hi friends, I'm just going to show how to insert a text on the Canva on your mobile phone for different text. Just click on the text tool on the bottom. Now don't click on the add text box. Just swipe down. You can find different type of font. You can find different type of scales of font. You can just easily edit it. You can see the golden version, which is actually a premium, and also a non-premium version. For example, I just click off the glow up option. So now it's inserted here. You can just drag it and can just double tap here to edit this. For example, just going to edit it as here I just going to type my name here, so Tilak, and you can just easily adjust this. And also if you just need to insert more text here, so now you just click on the text option and you can just click on the add text like a heading or subheading what you just needed, and you can just edit it. You can just change font and you can just add some efforts here. So this is how you just insert the text. For example, here I just going to change this entirely. So first you just click on this, delete it, and just click on this. You have a group, just ungroup this. Now you just can easily edit. See, each text can be separated like this. So I just going to resize this text first and just place it here, and just going to resize this and just place it here. This is how you just insert the different text on your or insert text on your Canva on your mobile phone. I think this video had a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.